What's up, guys? Christopher Ramirez here, and in this video, I want to talk about that I noticed Coinbase has listed the 0x or the ZRX on their wallet. Okay, and I'm seeing that I'm looking at the current prices, point or 88 cents USD. Gonna make this to my screen was kind of fading, and I'm looking at the markets, the coin market cap site, and now that this is in my radar, I see it's got a market cap of 478,000, or excuse me, 478 million. I'm way off. Million 109,955 market cap. The last 24 hours, their volume is showing about 105,831,370 USD in volume, cash flow through in and out of the actual coin. Now the thing is, I've noticed is how much in circulation or supply they have as far as supply and demand, and it has a pretty big circulating supply number at 542,573,377 ZRX. Okay, and what I'm learning is that things like Bitcoin that's have there's 17 million Bitcoins left around that range is a good range as far as like prices like being jacked up. Okay, when trades hit these bull runs, or when these coins hit those next bull runs. Okay, and I'm trying. I've done switch gears and thought about like this. It's very long term if you have a higher circular supply, to just let it grow, just let it sit, and you hold on those coins. All right, but now I'm paying attention to the coins that have low supply and circulation. Okay, because that means the prices will jack up sooner during the next bull runs. Okay. And so I mean, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a few ZRX, and more likely go ahead and get a video up there showing the application of ZRX and what the practical application is for it. It must have a pretty incredible practical application if it's being listed on Coinbase, and Coinbase, as you know, is very reputable. It's like one of the number one sites people hold their cryptocurrency on. Okay, so that was it in this video. What do you think? Drop the comments in the comments section. Are you gonna go ahead and pick up some ZRX if you haven't already? I'm just gonna go ahead, pick it up, and start diversify more between my Coinbase and my Binance account, and make that thing happen. Okay. Now, if you're I'm already assuming that you already have coins, you're holding coins, but if you are holding crypto and you're like, say you're not really trading, you're using your paycheck per se to invest into diversifying your portfolio. I have something. There's a link in the description. If you click on, you watch the entire video and do the step by steps on a system that pays a CPA percentage weekly. Okay, not percentage. I'm sorry. That pays a CPA amount. CPA standing for cost per action. Okay, and if you click that first link in the description, it'll be in the comments also. You'll see that link, and on the other side there's a video explaining what to do step by step. It's completely free to do, guys. It's completely free to do. Okay, my thinking is this, guys. Get you guys generating revenue from this thing, because it's an excellent way to monetize using like YouTube videos and doing reviews and all review videos, kind of like how you see in this video, and showing you how to generate revenue between specific topics using YouTube to generate that weekly pay that it pays. Okay, it pays weekly to your PayPal. And what my plan is to show all my guys that are following me how to take the CPA money and invest it into your cryptocurrencies. Okay, and get everything ready, be in position for the next bull run that's going to come. Okay, kind of like that last bull run that happened when you saw Bitcoin go up to 20,000. I'm 20, almost 20,000. That was an incredible rush, because I had at the time I was riding on my Litecoin. My Litecoin I cashed out, and I still had Litecoin riding. So it's pretty awesome. But again, guys, it's not about making money with the coin. There are actual real applications for these coins that will show what those practical applications are. You can search on YouTube and you'll find ZRX. You could find out what the practical application is. I'm gonna go ahead and get that to you guys also, because I love doing these YouTube videos for you guys, man. This is a lot of fun for me, you know. I mean, the channel is really growing, and I really appreciate it's because of you guys that I'm seeing some YouTuber success also on top of the crypto and the affiliate marketing, guys. But anyhow, all that's bonus. I got a lot of bonuses for guys that take action. That link in the description. Go ahead, follow, watch the video on the other side, set up your free account, and I'll tell you how to reach out to me so I can put you in the Facebook group and give you the training so you could so that you can generate the revenue with this program, and then go ahead and turn and invest it back into your portfolio. That way you can 10x and 20x your investments on top of what they're paying you for per person. It's all I explain everything in the video that's in of the description, okay? And I want to get you guys to the next level. Let's get it, okay, guys? I got buku bonuses and training to get you planting the seed furthermore in your crypto portfolio, okay, guys? So if you made it this far, go ahead, like the video, and drop a comment, man. Subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon. I would really appreciate it, guys. It would help the channel grow tremendously. And that said, I will see you guys in the next video and or review video of some sort. Alright, y'all have a blessed day. Oop, press the button. Peace.